at that. Look at our okra.
I am Macy, Macy, moving through the night. Cook up love with spice, her longing to write. From a town of joy to the city's glow, wherever I go, my love will show. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams. In the morning light, I gather the news. Whisper tales that shake off the blues. With apron tight and a heart so pure, every dish a blessing, that's for sure. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, share, ring the notification bell for the returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks so much guys, thank you for the support, and I don't take it for granted. I'm so humbled. And yes guys, so today we're still in the kitchen. I love the kitchen, but I do all around vlogs, but today we are still in the kitchen, and today we want to prepare for something. I want to show you to prepare okra lady fingers. In English it's lady fingers, here we call it okra. So guys, come I show you. So guys, here with me I have the okra here, the lady fingers, you can see it here, and here I have tomatoes, I have capsicum, and I have onion. That is what we'll be preparing our okra with. Then we'll learn some spices later. So let's okra. We start by washing it. Here we wash so that you can cut it into, I think, 2 pieces. It's more, some people cut small, but I don't like those small pieces. I like cutting them into 2 pieces or what. So let's wash all this together. Yeah. Hey, when I want to record, that's when music starts from my neighbor's house. When I'm doing nothing without recording, there's no music. So here, like removing the edge, both sides, then I cut it. So let's use this side. I've changed the position of the camera because of my shadow. I think the other side is not that bright, alright? So I've cut as I put here. I was saying I like removing this end part and this. And when you're buying okra, make sure the lady fingers, they are not overgrown, because those the ones that are overgrown are really hard inside. You cannot even chew. There's a live I did on how to test if okra is it's soft or not. When you're buying it, you have to break here. When it breaks, just take it. If it doesn't break, don't take. That one means it has overgrown. So this is where I came. Yes, where I started cooking them. So I didn't know how to choose. I would buy, then I come somewhere and chewable. I'm like, what's really not happening? Until I was taught how to choose. There's some cuts, very small pieces. It's I do twice, and if it is very long one, I do 3 times, but not more than that. You have to remove the seeds from the capsicum. Before I never used to do that, but nowadays I do. Before I used to cook with the seeds. Nowadays I don't. Nowadays I don't cook with the seeds. So what is this? I think I'll use some of the I'm cooking for one person, so this onion I think, but still I love onions. I can use all of it. It's nothing wrong. It's nothing wrong, but will it not be too much? I love onions. When there's somewhere we went on Sunday and there was a food with so many onions, the ladies were complaining. I told them, you can give me the onions. Me, I love onions. I love onions. I love those onions. Yeah? I love the onions. Onions. This is the pot that I'm using to cook. Then here, we slice our tomatoes. Yeah, my mother cat. So don't mind the meowing. I have many cats here. That's why you can hear them meowing behind. Or maybe you've seen some on the camera. My mother cat, the mother of cats, the mother of cats. And they love me as their mother, and I love them back. Yeah. Alright, now let's start. Let's start our cooking. This which one? Let me cook from here so that I can be able to record well. So I light the fire. This one I will cook French fries. So I use it before I go back to the one in the container. I don't use a lot of oil in my food. Okay, the noise from. I hope that one will not give me copyright. We fry our onion until it's golden brown. So let's give it time to cook. Young salt. Then the tomatoes. We cover our tomatoes until they are well cooked. So we check. Our tomatoes are well done. And I want tomato paste. It's not a must, but me, I like adding it. Then now we add our finger ladies I've mixed with capsicum because I want them to cook together and I don't want them overcooked. So yarn them here. You cover and let them cook on low heat. Now we're cooking, so we give them like 5 to 7 minutes, then you come and check. So our 7 minutes are over. Let's check. Oh, you see? Our finger ladies. Okra. It's ready. Hey, you can see. You should not, that's why I said you should not overcook them. You should not overcook them. See, they should remain green. They are ready, but they are green. So now we end our spices. Here I have paprika, and here I have black pepper, mixed spices, and some salt. You want a bit of salt. This okra is a term it has been trending in the country like no one's business. This is black pepper. Paprika. Yeah, and then you mix them all of them at the same time. And and you mix spices. Okay. Hey. Our okra is okra. You leave them to cook for just 1-2 minutes so that the the spices can mix up well. So our 2 minutes are over. We check our okra and the hair. See that. Okay. Switch off. See, our okra is ready with rice or ugali, any of them will do. So I'll be preparing rice. Hey, look at that. Look at our okra. Okra is ready. Yes, it should not be overcooked. It should retain its green color. You can have it with ugali, rice, and even the chapati. For me, I can have it with even with the chapati. So guys, if you've watched up to this moment and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a comment what you think about today's recipe for the okra finger ladies. Leave a comment and share the video so that we can have more people subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for always supporting me. For now, I say bye bye. See you in the next one.